Today I noticed my video got 563 views. To celebrate, we will be doing another free map. In this video, we be showing how to get Meat Grinder and Mixer. So let's get into this video. Go to this website that's in the description. Click download. Now click this. Save it to files. Now hold down on the Meat Grinder map file and press rename. All you have to do is delete the zip and period at the end of the mel map. Now press this, then press this. Click add. Thank you all for watching. Also, this is not an April Fool's prank. To let you guys know, it is true, y'all, it does work.